we have to do it. Again, close your eyes tightly, your teeth tight, and tongue put it on the upper palate so that air will not escape from your mouth. And tighten your mouth, lips. Your head down, exhale completely. Now forcefully inhale and exhale. Like abdominal Bhasthrika, don't worry about the stomach. Leave it as it is. Don't focus on that. Finish, keep your eyes closed and keep calm. Focus on your slow breathing process. Enjoy your brain, which has become so vibrant after a long time. The whole head is nourished, starting from the neck. In this, please remember, when you start, completely exhale. When you inhale, throw your head as much as possible. When you exhale, your chin should touch your chest so that you completely exhale. The question is, why we are moving our head? That's the question. We are trying to go back so that our chest will expand and lungs will expand, and our lungs are full to the maximum capacity. Similarly, when we exhale, we try to throw out completely so that the chest gets contracted, lungs get squeezed, and completely we exhale. You can do as many number of times as possible. Don't count on minutes or number of times. Look for your body signals. Your lungs will tell you, I'm exhausted, please stop. Your intercostal muscles will tell you whether you can continue or stop. Listen to your body, listen to your lungs, and so on. Still, if you want number, initially you can do 5-6 times. Later on, improve it to 10 times, and so on. Once you finish it, take rest at least for 1 minute. There's no time check here. Your lungs feel they have taken the rest and ready for one more Bhasthrika pranayama. You can start the next one. Till that point of time, keep your eyes closed and observe your lungs.